Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, children. So, in the previous class, we have completed half of the paras of this lesson. So, let's continue with that. So, after begging him, lot of begging, and finally they got the chant of the snakes. So, now the children were clever. The children was very clever. They knew that would be scared, and so they stopped before they reached the cave to make a plan. Before going to the cave kan जाने से पहले the children what they did that they make a plan. Children एक plan बना लिए. They decided that they would all hold hands and wouldn't run away. So what they did, the children decided that they'll catch all the hands one by one of them because of fear, and they wouldn't run away from that place. Thus holding hands, they ran to the cave and chanted. After catching all the hands of each other and catching, all the children went to the cave and chanted Nayangara Chena, right? So the snakes comes out slowly, and although some children were frightened, the snakes come out slowly and slowly. But the children were little frightened about that. Everyone stayed. No one ran out from that place. When he had come out entirely, when the snakes come out from his cave entirely, he looked at them and said, "Aren't you scared?" When the snakes come out from the cave, entire snake, the snake is asking to the children that, "Are you scared of me? I'm so big. I scared the big man. I scared the big woman. You're so little. Aren't you scared?" The snake is telling to the people that all the men were scared by seeing me, all the women were scared by seeing me, but you're so little, you can't, little one, are you getting a scared one? The children looked up at the huge snake and they nodded their heads. After telling that, the children looked up to the snake and nodded their heads. "Yes, we are scared," the children is replying to the snake. "Yes, we are scared," they cried, they're crying. "But we need your help, a grandfather. Please come with us." The snake was very proud of these brave children, and so he said, "Stretch your arms." And he tilted on their hands, and they all tilted on the hands, and they all returned to the village. So after telling that, seeing the brave children, the snake decided to help that children. So the snake was very proud of those brave children and told the children that stretch your arms, and he'll siltered means crawling, like crawling in voice, on the hands, and they will all the children taking the snake return to the villages. Okay, so he went into the Oba house, and in on earth, मतलब जो ओबा के हाउस में 1 घंटे में गए वो लोग सांप को लेके. The old man walked out feeling better. So after seeing the snake, the old man feeling very better. Okay, so let's go with the next page. Joyful, he told the children to take Nayangara back along with fine gifts. So after seeing the Nayangara, and the Oba told the children to take the Nayangara back along with the fine gifts. Then when the children returned to their villages, they found new masks, drums, and their favorite food waiting for them. They danced and sang and ate and lived happily ever. After going in away, the children saw that they are getting new masks, drums, and favorite foods are waiting for them. The dance and the song, ate, and they enjoy their life fully. Okay, so let's see here. This is the glossary word. By this, the explanation is over. We have completed our 4th chapter, the explanation part, right? So let's come down for the glossary words. Healer, one who cures herbs, plants that can eaten and have a medicinal value. chant to repeat over and over again.